Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami bird. It might be quite difficult when you're starting. It, it's a little difficult for beginners. That's how I felt when I was making my first origami bird. But then it was turning easy. So let's begin. So first you will need a square paper, and secondly just fold it into half. It becomes a triangular square. It becomes like a triangular shape. And secondly, fold it on the opposite side, just like this. So first we saw it was folded like this, but then I opened it and folded it like this. And third, fold it straight. So you will be getting 5 lines, and then fold it on any one side in a triangular shape. You will be having 3 lines, 2 slanting lines and a straight line. So first in this line, let's begin with this one. Yes, that's good. When you do that, and it's like this, just fold it. And the same on the other side. Yes, that's good. And now you will be getting this shape. You're getting it like this, and then just make it like this. Well, till here it will be quite easy for you, but after this it will be a little difficult. So please concentrate and see properly. Yes, this is how it will be when you get your first we have to do the same thing on the other side. Well, this part will be a little difficult. It gets messy. You don't need any glue to make this origami paper bird. Yes. Yes. Here you will be getting a shape like this. So now we will start getting the bird's face and its tail and its wings. So just fold the paper like this. Keep the paper like this and Take one part and keep it up. Yes. On the second part, you have to do the same. So you'll be getting a shape like this. Then fold it over. Yes. Now just pull a bit and give the shape of the face. You just have to take the paper and bend it. Here the face is done. Now let's get the tail of the bird. Now fold the wings. And here we have our origami paper bird. Well, this even flaps. You can even call it a flapping bird if you wish. Thanks guys, please subscribe, share this video with your friends and comment below if you were able to make your first paper bird. Thanks.